This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers the perfect blend of comfort, privacy, and outdoor living. Inside, you'll find a spacious and inviting layout with well-sized bedrooms, a functional floor plan, and plenty of natural light throughout. The primary suite features a private bath, while the additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family and guests with another room that is being used as an office. Outside, the property continues to impress with a large 2-car carport that offers convenient covered parking and additional storage space. The backyard is a true highlight, featuring a beautiful deck that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, grilling, or enjoying your morning coffee. Surrounded by nature, the deck overlooks a peaceful wooded area, creating a private retreat with scenic views and a tranquil atmosphere. With no rear neighbors and mature trees providing shade and beauty, you'll enjoy a sense of seclusion while still being close to everyday conveniences. Whether you're hosting